Hello everyone, it is Greg Simon here, and welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's been uncomfortable over the last few days since my last upload, and I hope everyone has been able to follow the advice as always, and hope people have been putting it into practice and helping them becoming alpha male. Now in today's video, I decided that I'm going to talk about how to be an alpha male while you're in the clubs. Now, most of the time, it's not that often that alpha males really do go to the clubs, but sometimes some alpha males, they make exceptions and they go to the clubs anyway. If you're one of those people that wants to become an alpha male but wants to continue enjoying going to the clubs, then this video is for you. I'm going to tell you how you can look cool in the club, how you can show your presence, be smooth, and get all the ladies in the clubs as an alpha male. Firstly, actually, you want to make sure that you're wearing the appropriate outfit. Now, normally this is something like a casual hoodie, maybe some track pants, and slides are usually good when you're in the club, right? You look cool and classy and that sort of thing. Now, what you want to do is you want to go into the club and you want to go into the middle, like the middle where everyone's dancing around. You just want to stand there like this. You don't want to dance. You don't want to do any of that. You don't want to drink like everyone else. You're just got to stand here, right? And you just stand here and everyone will come to you. They'll think you're cool. They'll think you're an alpha. They'll see, wow, look how smooth this guy is. You're really showing your presence here and making yourself known that you're actually an alpha male with 5 businesses and you have no real business being in the club. You're just here because you're just an alpha. Now, it's a very short video, guys, but I hope you enjoyed and I hope you all found this extremely helpful. Comment down below if you found out when you went to the club that it actually worked. Now, peace out, fellas.